You blinked, and the crypto market changed again. In today's video, we're breaking down everything that's driving Bitcoin's price, the real economic forces behind the recent moves, and why this moment could mark a shift not just for BTC, but for altcoins that are gaining traction fast. So stick around to the end, because beyond the numbers, we're diving into the future, and a bold prediction that might completely change how you see Bitcoin from now on. Over the past 24 hours, Bitcoin has been trading around $103,000, with a slight drop of just 0.65%. While that might seem like minor volatility, the real story is what's happening underneath. Bitcoin remains strong above the $103,000 level, after reaching a high of $104,836 and a low of $103,164. This type of price stability at high levels doesn't happen by chance. It's being fueled by global macroeconomic shifts that are aligning in a way that could be extremely favorable for Bitcoin and the entire crypto market. Recently, the US and China announced a 90-day truce on trade tariffs, a major geopolitical move that signals reduced tension between the world's two largest economies. That kind of news calms global markets and gives risk assets like Bitcoin a boost. Add to that a lower-than-expected inflation report in the US for April, and you've got a recipe for renewed investor confidence. That combination is laying the groundwork for a potential surge, not just in Bitcoin, but across the entire crypto space. While Bitcoin holds a spotlight, savvy investors are already rotating into altcoins, and that's a move you need to pay attention to. Ethereum, XRP, and Solana are seeing bigger percentage gains in Bitcoin right now. This kind of capital rotation is typical during bull cycles. When Bitcoin stabilizes, attention and money shifts into altcoins with higher short-term upside. If you're positioned right, that shift can lead to even bigger profits than Bitcoin itself. But here's the headline that's really making waves. PlanB, the analyst behind the famous Dr. Flow model, says Bitcoin is currently undervalued and still has room to reach $500,000 in this market cycle. Yes, $500,000 per coin. According to him, all the on-chain and macro indicators are lining up, and the market is not yet reflecting Bitcoin's full potential. He's not alone either. Multiple technical signals are backing up the possibility of a major upward movement, especially if the current macro conditions continue to hold. And it gets even more interesting. Coinbase, one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world, is officially set to be added to the S&P 500 index on May 19th. Just the announcement of this inclusion made its stock price jump by 24%. That's not just a symbolic win. It's a sign that traditional finance is opening its doors even wider to crypto. When a company like Coinbase enters the S&P 500, it means institutional capital could flood the space even faster. That's a green flag for the entire industry. So if you thought you missed a crypto wave, think again. The game is still on, and the biggest moves might be right around the corner. Stay tuned, because on this channel, you'll get daily updates, straight-to-the-point analysis, and the information that actually matters if you want to stay ahead of the curve. If you found this video helpful and want to keep getting daily crypto news, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you never miss an update, and drop a comment. Do you think Bitcoin can hit $500,000 this cycle? I want to hear your take.